Hello everyone. Today we'll have a small demo here. So this is just a demonstration of how we can use Google Sheet as a point of sale system, or we call POS system. So in general, POS system is a little complicated software where you have a payment device attached and a printer also attached. But what if we want to use a normal Google Sheet as a free alternative? So might be we will not be able to achieve all the functionalities, but let's say if you want to achieve and give it a try for using this for basic purpose. So I tried creating a template and I'll show you how we can use it. So we might need at least one tab of product where we have list of all the products. You can add a list of other products, whatever you are trying to sell in the coffee shop. So for example, let's say we have these set of products. I have got 19 products here with different set of prices. Now, let's say whenever we are getting a customer, we'll try to capture those sales in sale tab. So I already have some sample data here. So most of the data here you'll see is coming from the formulas which I have kept here. So you can also notice that these rows are highlighted in different color. This will help us in identifying if these are part of the same bill or the same order or a different order. Let's take an example. If I'm trying to add a new customer here or customer order here, so I'll add 8. Now, what I would have to do is I'll add a new date. Let's say this today's date. You can see automatically it got highlighted with a different color. Now I'll add the product. These are the same set of products which I already added in my products tab. I can search for these products or I can just scroll it and then add this item. Now I got my price already here and I can add any table. Let's say I add table 7. Now I'll add a quantity that how much quantity of this product is ordered. Let's add 3 here. So this formula will calculate what is the total price and add it here. For the same customer, now if I want to add one more row, so I already have formula which will try to copy the data from the previous sheet because the date would be same. Also the table also would be same and the product could be different. Let's say it is a cookie chip. The price we already got and now the quantity. If you have noticed, this total amount is again moved from the previous row to the last row. So it will keep on moving to the last row so that you can identify that how much is the total for this customer. Let's try adding one more row. Now again, the color would be same, which is color of the previous rows. Date would be same. Product could be anything different. Let's say this one. Table name again same. Then a new quantity. Let's add 2. Now we got the total of $32. What if we want to then print this bill or print this invoice? So I have created one more tab here. In this tab, you'll get the last orders detail. I mean, whatever products you have selected there with the quantity and the price with the total price. You will have the total amount here and you can also give an adjustment or kind of a discount. Now this is a template which you can add your logo and your company name, address, etc. in whatever color you like with any custom message. This is also from the formula to generate the exact current timestamp, so it will automatically be the latest timestamp. And you can also print this, and you can select the page format or the page size and then even you can save it as a PDF or print it using a printer. Apart from this, I also created a few pivot charts. These charts are just would act as a input data for our dashboard. So for example, if I want to know that what is my sale for last 3 days, so I have formulas here which will calculate that from 25th to 28th, how much sale I have done, total sale. Let's say I want to get it for last 1 month. So this will give me the data for last 1 month for each day, how much sale is recorded. Also, one more pie chart where you can identify what is my top selling product. So, and what percentage share is for that product. So both the data from for both these chart is coming from the pivot, which is again grabbing the data from your sales sheet. Hope you like this video. Let me know what do you feel the new features can be added in this sheet or the template in the comments. Thank you.